Hey everyone, welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. Today I'm here with Chris from BD Diesel, and we're going to be talking about the BD Throttle Sensitivity Booster. So Chris, let's start with the basics. Tell us how this unit functions and what it does.
Well, basically the Throttle Sensitivity Booster does exactly that. It increases the sensitivity of the throttle pedal. So it gives you quicker throttle response, less turbo lag, and it feels like a 60 horsepower upgrade.
And does this product function similarly to a performance tuner?
Not really. It doesn't actually go in and change any of the fuel parameters or timing or boost or anything like that. It just amplifies the signal coming from the throttle pedal going to the engine to give you that quicker throttle response. So we're not actually tuning it. We're just simulating that you're stepping on the pedal quicker or further.
Now, as far as installation goes, are these easy to install?
These are very easy to install. So all you have is a factory connection right here on the throttle pedal, just underneath the steering column. Basically, I always tell people it takes you longer to run the wires and put the tape on to find a place to put it on the dash where you want it than it does to actually install the product. So it's very, very easy to install. It self-learns, so you don't have to do any programming or anything like that. You just plug it in, step on the pedal a couple times, the throttle booster programs itself, and you're ready to go.
And once this is installed, what are the different modes that are available and their primary uses?
Well, we have 6 different modes available. We have valet mode, which cuts the sensitivity by 50%. So it's exactly what it says. If you're dropping your car off at the valet and you don't want the guy out driving it like crazy, you can cut his power in half. Or if you have a teenager driving your vehicle, you can slow it down a bit for him. And then we have the eco mode, which is a 25% reduction, just to help with fuel mileage if you want, a little bit slower acceleration will help with some fuel mileage. And then we have street mode, which is 50%, so it's a 50% increase. And then we have sport, which is 75%, and then race, which is 100%. And then we have a crazy one, which is called ludicrous mode, which is a 300% increase, and that is just strictly for fun. It's not super street use, but it's very, very responsive and very quick throttle response.
And lastly, what are the different vehicles that this is available for?
We have them for all the diesel applications, Dodge, Ford, Chevy. We have them for the EcoDiesel, Jeep applications, 3-liter Chevy now, the newer Chevy. So basically any of the diesel applications we have them for. And the nice thing about it is we have one part number that fits 90% of those applications because a lot of them use the same throttle pedal connection. So the same connector. So as long as that connector fits, our product will work because it self-learns the vehicle. So there's not a difference between them.
Well, that wraps it up for the BD Throttle Sensitivity Booster. A big thank you to Chris from BD.
You bet.
For coming by and giving us all the information that we need. To get one for your vehicle, check out xdp.com, and we'll see you next time.